Hi there, welcome to the landmark presentation. As you can see, this towering landmark residing next to Perseus City Park. I want to share with you some of the orientation and the views that is on different levels of this development. And if you follow my arrow closely, I will share with you the first view that we have the first residential unit on the second floor, the green color arrow that is overlooking the infinity pool that is looking at Perseus City Park. Beautiful greenery, very nice and peaceful. And if you follow my second arrow, which is the yellow color arrow, it overlooks Perseus City Park with large ample greeneries and with the city skyline in the foreground. As we go further up to level 34, if you follow my light blue color arrow, that's right, and that is where it looks over to the city orientation on the southern side with the ocean in the foreground. Completely unblocked, fascinating view. And the top floor view at level 40, if you follow my dark blue arrow, that will be overlooking the entire southern side with a clearer picture of the ocean, and you can see the southern waterfront rejuvenation happening in the foreground later on as I share with you the video. And for those who are looking at the northern side, if you follow my pink color arrow, it will be on the level 14 will be overlooking the northern side where you can see unblocked views of the entire nation. And if you go to level 34 on the higher floor, follow my orange color arrow, it will be overlooking the northern side with the Singapore River flowing in the foreground. And of course, the top floor view, fantastic. If you follow mine, gray arrow, yes, it will also be another fascinating view that is completely unblocked. It feels like you're at the top of the world experience from level 39. And I've just paused this presentation here. I would like to right now share with you this video of the entire development itself, 360 degrees view. Here we go. Level 14 on the northern side, unblocked view, facing the northern side. Nice clear skies. As we slowly orientate this view towards the southern side, you'll be slowly greeted by the lush greeneries, Perseus City Park, and with the city skyscraper in the foreground. Nice lush greenery that stretches all the way to the southern side. As we go further up to this development on the northern side, level 34, you will start to see clearer view of the northern side with the Singapore River flowing in the foreground. As you slowly orientate towards the southern side, get a few more of the heartbeat of Singapore, of the city, the dynamic city that never sleeps, Chinatown, and the Perseus City Park, and with the ocean in the foreground. And allow me to bring you further up to the sky, the roof level, with the nation at your footstep and a clearer view of the Singapore River that flows throughout the nation, all the way to the southern side. As we continue this 360 degrees view, you can experience more of the ocean as we turn and embark towards the southern waterfront, the Great Southern Waterfront, and the SGH Medical Campus. Beautiful, isn't it? So let me share with you the Google Earth itself. This is a fascinating website. You can go and check a look. And what we key in is the existing landmark tower that is on block. As I share with you right now, where we are facing, follow my arrow here. The orientation of this unit, the blue color arrow, will be facing towards the northern side, the southern side where the city and the ocean is. And if you follow my orange color arrow on the northern side, that's where towards the view of the Singapore River is. It's a fascinating Google Earth. You can take a look, check it out for yourself. and see where we are conveniently located at the heart of the town. So right now, I will just end this share with another video to show you the night experience of where we are. Here we go. The city that never sleeps. Singapore Flyer, Marina Bay Sands, fireworks and light shows waiting for you. And we are right at the heart, the landmark. Beautiful city. Southern waterfront in the foreground. Thank you very much for tuning in. And for those who are keen to know more, please contact any of our sales developer team for more information on the landmark. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in person soon.